Hey there, nature enthusiasts! Today let's dive into the fascinating world of the roly-polies, those adorable armored wonders. First off, did you know these little guys aren't insects? That's right, roly-polies are actually crustaceans, more closely related to crabs and lobsters. And with 7 pairs of legs, they have a total of 14 legs. They use these legs not just for moving around, but also for sensing their environment. One of the coolest things about roly-polies is their ability to roll into perfect balls. Thanks to their unique hinged exoskeleton, they can curl up into a perfect sphere for defense. It's like nature's own little armored tank. And get this, roly-polies can survive without food or water for months. They enter a dormant state called diapause, which allows them to tough it out during tough times. Talk about resilience. Despite having poor eyesight, they make up for it with an incredible sense of touch and smell. Their simple eyes can only detect light and dark, but they navigate their world like little pros. Roly-polies are also essential decomposers in ecosystems. They break down organic matter and recycle nutrients, playing a crucial role in keeping our planet healthy. You'll find these resilient creatures on every continent except Antarctica, with over 4,000 species spread across various habitats. They even have a unique way of communicating, using chemical signals and vibrations, and in captivity they can live up to 5 years. So next time you see a roly-poly, remember, you're looking at a tiny armored marvel of nature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing nature facts.